Hey, guys! You who like this city called Sao Paulo and want to know every corner, have been following our videos where we show interesting places to visit. We've already talked about Paulista Avenue, the Metro, Trianon Park, Masp, Japan House, the Korean Cultural Center, and Ibirapuera Park. This time we are going to talk about a very interesting place, where people love to visit, which is Liberdade Neighborhood. But before we talk about this neighborhood, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for when we post more videos, and enjoy and share with your friends, who also want to know about our channel and the content we post. We will be very grateful for that. So let's go. The Liberdade is a famous neighborhood in Sao Paulo, located in the city's central region. It is a historic neighborhood, known for its oriental culture, with many Japanese and Chinese immigrants living in the area. While strolling through the neighborhood, you can find many shops, restaurants, fairs, and festivals with oriental influence. And speaking of stores, there are two of them that we recommend you go to, which is Ikesaki, where you can find beauty products. The other store is Maracay. In this store, you will find everything, from household utensils to food products. These stores are worth a visit. The streets are decorated with colorful lanterns and Buddha statues, creating a unique and interesting atmosphere. One of the most popular attractions in the neighborhood is the street fair that takes place on weekends, with many stalls selling typical foods and oriental crafts. You can also find many Japanese and Chinese restaurants with authentic and delicious dishes. Another interesting attraction is the Liberdade Square, which features a beautiful garden and a monument in honor of Japanese immigrants. The square is also surrounded by several historic buildings, such as the Portuguese Language Museum and the Museum of Contemporary Art. In summary, the Liberdade neighborhood is a fascinating place to visit in Sao Paulo, especially for those interested in learning about Oriental culture and the history of Japanese and Chinese immigration to Brazil. 3 places in particular that you cannot miss. Japanese Immigration Museum. This museum is dedicated to the history of Japanese immigration in Brazil and has permanent and temporary exhibitions that show the daily life of Japanese immigrants in the country. Liberdade Fair. The Liberdade Fair takes place every Sunday and is a great opportunity to buy handicrafts and try typical foods from Oriental culture. There are many stalls selling everything from clothing and accessories to decoration items. Bushinji Temple. This Buddhist temple is one of the oldest in Sao Paulo and is very beautiful inside. You can participate in religious ceremonies and guided meditations, or just appreciate the architecture and atmosphere of the place. What's up, guys? Did you like it? We hope you enjoyed this video with more tips on where you can visit when you're in this city so diverse of places and people. Thanks for watching this far, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.